Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Perspective Warp tool in Adobe Photoshop. This feature lets you correct perspective, straighten buildings, or change the viewing angle of an object while keeping the image looking natural. Let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. In the Layers panel, right-click the image layer and select Duplicate Layer. This keeps the original image safe in case you want to compare or go back later. Now click Filter and choose Convert for Smart Filters. This allows you to apply Perspective Warp as a smart filter, so you can edit or remove it later without damaging the original image. Next, go to the Edit menu and select Perspective Warp. Now you will enter Layout mode. Click and drag to draw a grid over the first surface of the object you want to adjust. If your object has multiple connected surfaces, draw additional grids over them. In this example, I'll create 3 connected areas. Make sure the corners of each grid snap together where the surfaces meet. This helps Photoshop understand the correct perspective. Once all 3 areas are covered, click the Warp button in the options bar at the top. Now you're in Warp mode. Click and drag the corner handles to change the perspective. As you move the handles, Photoshop automatically adjusts the connected surfaces to create a realistic result. Take your time and make small adjustments until the image looks natural. You can also hold Shift while dragging certain corner handles to straighten vertical or horizontal lines. When you're happy with the result, click the tick mark in the options bar to apply the perspective warp. Because we converted the layer into a smart object, the perspective warp effect is saved as a smart filter. You can double-click it at any time to edit the settings again. If you need to continue normal layer editing, right-click the smart object layer and choose Convert to Layers. This converts the smart object back into editable layers. And that's it. That's how you can quickly use Perspective Warp in Photoshop to fix or change the perspective of your images while maintaining high quality. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.